Hey, welcome back to the Evil Dietitian YouTube channel. I recently did a recipe contest on my Facebook page, and one of the things I promised was that I would put the winning recipe on my YouTube channel and make a video out of it. So this is not my recipe. This recipe is from the Minimalist Baker, and it is rainbow spring rolls with ginger peanut sauce. So I'm gonna make a video of this, and I will leave a link to the recipe so that credit is given where credit's due. And then the other thing is I'm using spring roll wrappers today, and I actually have never used those before, so I'm kind of excited about trying these out and seeing how they work. So let me know if you've used spring roll wrappers before and how they work for you.